This silly girl has decided that the chicken tractor is the best place for a dust bath. Don't let me interrupt you. So they lay over on their sides, and sometimes it can be almost disturbing when you see them because they're laying on their sides. But they literally bathe in the dust, and that's how they get clean. So you'll see them moving all around, moving their feet. She just finished. That's why she's shaking all that dust out of her tail feather. Right, Mama? Right? She's like, he's holding after me. Hey, how are you? How are you, Mama? What do you think of the sun? It feels good, doesn't it? It feels good. I think she's feeling somewhat intimidated, so we'll let her finish her dust bath.